Next program we're gonna see is combination of number and star pattern. So interview might ask you these kind of questions, like they want to print that stars then followed by numbers. Right now we're going to write the logic. As usual, I'm going to assign the variable n equal to 5. Then I'm going to print that number of lines, right? So we need 5 lines. So for that I'm going to put one for loop for I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. Then in the inner loop we need to print the stars, right? So for that I'm going to write a logic for j in range of 1 comma. Just now I'm going to take like I plus 1, then later we can figure it out what the mistake is in the logic. So here I'm going to print the stars. So star comma end space, this is an empty string. Next we need one more for loop to print the numbers. So for that I'm going to print for k in range of 1 comma I plus only I'm going to take. Then again I'm going to print so before that, if you want to print that 1 2 3 4 5, we need to print the k only n equal to 1 empty string. Okay, I'm just giving the space here. So again I'm going to print, there is nothing will be in the print statement. So I'm going to run the program. So you can see here we got that first 1 star, but the values are fine, right? So what we need to do, only on the star pattern itself we have the issues. So we need to understand and try to figure out what caused this issue. So I'm going to declare here like n minus I plus 1, and I'm going to run this program. You can see the exact output we got it.